this is Srikanth. Today I will explain about closing balance month DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, this is closing balance month DAX function syntax. Closing balance month expression and next to dates, you can add dates column and next to filter any column. Okay, see this here. Now I am clicking new measure, sum of sales. See this here, now I am creating one measure name is sum of sales and sum is a function name. See this here, it's automatically created sum of sales. Now I am click new measure and now I am typing closing, okay, closing balance. Okay, see this here, closing balance of evaluate the specified expression for the date corresponding to the end of the current month after applying filter dates. Okay, see this here, now I am adding expression. Expression means, see this here, this is my sum of sales, so it's my expression, so I am adding this column, this measure, and next I am adding date column and measures and filter. Next I am filtering my countries and next is equal to Canada. Okay, I am closing Francis. See this here, closing month is a function name, sum of sales is a expression and next one is filter financial dates. Financial is a table name and I am adding dates column. See this here, this is filter. Now I am filter. Next I am adding filter countries column and I am filtering data Canada wise. Okay, see this here. Now I am clicking this bird and select this one. See this here, my closing month balance in Canada 3.9 millions. Okay, let's check this. Now I am selecting one slicer and next I am selecting country column and next I am selecting slicer. Next I am selecting date. Next go to select drop down and next I am select one card and select sales. See this here, Canada and next go to select last closing month. See this here, it's my closing balance. Okay, see this here. Okay. This is closing month DAX function in Power BI desktop.